There you go.
Hello, sir.
Are you on vacation?
Yes, sir. Can you escort me out to Southgate?
Okay.
Respect mean is like treating people with kindness and consideration. It's about valuing their feeling right and bothering when you respect someone. You are showing that you are care about their well-being and opinion, sir.
Let's go na. Anong gagawin?
To please, sir.
Anong gagawin?
Huwag ka dito, puking.
Sir, ma'am, sir, like Mr. like for hours, sir.
Anong gagawin natin?
EPK is away from keyboard, sir.
Tapos,
No, sir. No, sir. I can't, sir. Talk to him, sir, and ask.
anong gagawin natin?
May tanga ka na. Bobo. Huwag ka mag-ano ganyan.
Ay, bawal ba yan?
No,
Gre-record ako
sir.
eh.
No, sir. I
Sisend
can't,
to eh.
sir. I can't.
Sige, sige, sige.
No, sir. I can take military bicycle, sir, for no purpose, sir.
Sunod ka lang sa akin.
Yes, sir.
Sanay ah.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank